So this project came from my absolute love of fishing. I had this idea to paint fish on dials. We hadn't picked out the artist yet. We hadn't figured out even how to do it yet. I reached out to a bunch of different artists, but it wasn't until I chatted with Tim who I knew we had the right guy.
My first reaction to hearing the idea of painting a watch dial was, that sounds crazy. The crazier the better. And so as soon as I knew that this company was going to trust me to try it, I knew I had to do it. And seeing the execution of it and seeing it turn out the way that it turned out on the first one was maybe as much of a surprise to me as it was to anybody else. But that's what I live for, is trying something new, doing something hard, making something that's beautiful and great and new for somebody who will really appreciate it.
It is so fun to watch people react to these dials and realize that it's not a decal, it's not a sticker, that each one of these fish is actually hand painted with a tiny little brush. Whether you like watches or not, whether you like fishing or not, the appreciation is there.
This is about connection to the thing that you love. It's about bringing you to something that gives you joy. And if you can have that on your wrist all the time, what better gift? What better joy to bring into your life than a connection to what makes you most happy and have it with you, always. My name's Tim Johnson, and for the last decade or so, I've been a full-time fish artist. From the earliest childhood, from the beginning that I can remember, there's never been a time in my life where I didn't want to do two things: catch fish and draw. Fish as a subject is inevitable in my life, because fish are a subject that's been on my mind since I was a little kid.
I think a lot of fly anglers love fish art, and it's so much fun seeing every new fish style that we come up with, because each one is unique, each one is special, and each one really just comes alive. Tim is a true artist, and getting to see his skill and hard work from years of practice on one of our dials, it's such a fantastic feeling. Knowing that we're capturing this fish for someone to enjoy for generations is a really humbling experience.
I never expected my work to be on such a small canvas. When we're talking a watch dial, especially if it's a small fish on the watch dial, just in that 6 o'clock position, we're talking the smallest brush I can obtain, the finest point that I can obtain, and things come into play that you wouldn't anticipate.
We work with the angler to get the ideal fish and the ideal look that they want, whether it's the brook trout in the fall or whether it is a permit angling down. We really want to get a better understanding of what their vision is. To be able to capture the essence of that fish, to make that fish really come alive on such a small dial, it's important to have all of the detail and have such a skilled artist as Tim.
An integral part of it is just finding out from the client what he connects with, what she connects with. They'll have a specific species, a specific arc to that rainbow leaping, or a specific color pattern to that native cutthroat that connects with them and their experience. And the beauty of a bespoke watch that I paint for you is that you can tell me what fishing means to you. You can tell me what beauty you find in these fish, and I can put it on this watch. This watch can become what you think is truly a native Northeast brook trout. Not what I think it is, what you think it is. Each dial that we do is not a print, it's not a limited edition. It is unique because it is an original piece of artwork on that timepiece. There is no other watch on planet Earth, and there never will be in the universe, that is like this watch, that is like your watch.
We're all about craftsmanship here at Oak and Oscar. Every little detail is important. We like to do things the right way, not the easy way. And it's the same thing with these fish dials. Working with Tim, he is obviously obsessed with all the details and doing things the right way. And each piece of art that we produce in collaboration with Tim is just a phenomenal watch that we're tremendously proud of.
Oak and Oscar is someone that I feel a kinship with, and absolutely the kind of company that I want to be in partnership with on a project like this.